super bilis lang, what is Liberty Walk and who is Wataru Kato or Kato-san? Kato-san is a Japanese car builder based in Nagoya, Japan. And he is also part of the Kyusha Kaido Bosuzoku scene. Bosuzoku is a niche car style in Japan that has crazy wild aero kits, super low, super wide wheels, flashy paint, may livery, tapos yung iba dyan may glitters pa. So basically, a Bosuzoku car is built for attention. But for me, a Bosuzoku car is a rolling piece of art. So dun nakuha ni Kato-san yung inspiration niya when he's building body kits. Fast forward to 2009, SEMA. Mind you guys, 2009, this was way before Rocket Bunny, way before RWB. Kato-san was the first one to enter the SEMA scene and they have displayed the Lambo Murcielago. By this time, social media was already gaining traction. People were amazed of the build kasi this was out of this world. Sobrang bago na ito sa eksena. Maraming nagkagusto sa build, marami ring hate. So basically, noong 2009, hindi pa kumukuha ng order si Kato-san. Nag-vibe check lang siya. Tinignan niya lang yung pulso ng mga tao, kung masasabi nila sa build niya. Fast forward again to 2012, Kato-san has entered again the SEMA scene, but this time he has partnered with Toyo Tires. And yun ulit, nilabas ulit nila yung Lambo Murcielago, more aggressive, inayos nila yung aero. Kumukuha na rin pala sila ng order by this time. Dito na nila nilabas yung R35 and the rest was history. Pumasok, sobrang daming order. Basically, Liberty Walk has become a household name in the car culture. Basta pag sinabing Liberty Walk, crazy builds on crazy cars. So with Liberty Walk, marami silang subcategories with their body kits. First one will be the LB Works, which are the aggressive body kits na ginagawa nila na kailangan mo mag-cut. Kunwari may mga over fenders ka, kailangan mo magtabas. The second one will be the LB Performance, which are the bolt-on body kits, no cutting required. And then the third one is the LB Nation, which are the Japan exclusive cars na yan, mga K-cars, mga ginawa ni Kato-san yan ng mga body kit. And then the fourth one will be the LB Silhouette, which are the boxy style body kits. So to wrap this all up, basically Liberty Walk is ruining cars correctly. That's Liberty Walk for you.